Terry Snowman here. This is a pair of wire strippers I bought at a Harbor Freight. I can't remember the price. They were $9.99, $19.99, something like that. I've been using them for a while, but I found out I'll be going along and stripping, and I'll have them in there like that, and you can see how that worked properly that time. But I'll be going along with these, and it'll stop stripping, kind of like that. It won't grip it, and it'll keep missing and missing and missing. And so, first off, when I got these, I noticed that the wire cutters down there, right down in here, didn't quite, it won't cut all the way through. Didn't quite line up. See how that cut there? But if you don't get it up high, it won't cut all the way through. You gotta get it way up high. It just doesn't quite meet, if you can see. I know they're only $20, but so I went to Walmart and got the Everstart Plus brand of self-adjusting wire strippers. I haven't set these ones up yet, but it feels better right off the bat. I have to pull the wire out a little too much, so I'll have to adjust it a little. Yeah, they feel much better. You can see how it's stripping it right off and not even missing. And if you notice, the wire cutters at the bottom, they meet all the way down to give a nice clean cut. So I said this is I think these were about 19 bucks. And these are much better quality than the Harbor Freight ones. So I'd go with the Walmart Everstart Plus self-adjusting wire stripper. These ones work really well. The other ones are really, really kind of low-end quality. I kept on having to adjust it. So Harbor Freight ones are crap. The handle's even coming off now. I didn't even notice that. There we go. I don't know how that happened. Handle was coming off. Huh. I would go with the Walmart, the red ones. They look almost from the same mold, but they just feel a little sturdier. And the action's really good on them. I'll strip some more wires just to show you. You can see it's just stripping it really well. So I'd go with the Walmart.